Okay, a slightly lighter chapter in terms of completely theoretical. The ratings, there was something which we have discussed in the financial markets and products about the rating agencies and issue specific, issuer specific kind of rating. Now we are also talking about the internal ratings apart from the external rating scale. So every company, apart from the external ratings which are given by the rating agencies, which are more issue specific or issuer specific, we are also looking at the internals. But typically what a rating agency considers for rating any company is these factors. The steps wise, they do a qualitative analysis in terms of management, what is the management of the company, or probably what kind of businesses it is operating in may not be associated with the quantitative data. They look at the financials of the company in terms of the quantitative data, the ratios and all those aspects. They are focusing, they sit with the, based on these two, they arrive with some kind of numbers, they some kind of rating or some kind of score. They sit with the management of the firm, and based on that they inform their internally, they decide and give some kind of a score and the rating for that particular company, and they notify that rating to the organization. And again, there is a chance that they can very much appeal that kind of rating, and finally that is what is disseminated to the media and the public. So that is how a typical process of the rating agency comes. And every time at regular intervals they do the monitoring based on the qualitative and the quantitative information, and they actually maintain a table. Every rating agency, they actually have a table kind of scenario called as a rating transition matrix. What this matrix typically talks of is, they will list out, okay, they will list out kind of probabilities. Probably, let's say, triple A firm, double A, triple A, double A. Let's say in this, what they say are probably default. What they put here is how many firms which are at a triple A level at the beginning of a period, let's say 1 year or 2 years or 5 years, whatever is the time frame they are looking at. So these are prepared for each time period. Probably if I say that this is a 1 year RTF, so the way they put up is, okay, how many firms are they, have they given a AAA rating, or how many of them are maintaining a AAA rating at the beginning of the year, and at the end of the year, how many of them are here again? 90%. Probably some of them, five of them might have gone here, two of them might have gone here, one of them might have gone here, something like that. So this are the same thing they'll do. Okay, some 4-5% of the firms have gone into AAA rating. Some 85% of the firms are continuing in the same rating. This kind of a matrix is what they prepare, where the summation of each row will be equal to 1. The transition from one particular rating to a different kind of a rating, right? So using this transition matrix, they will try to